Hello everyone. Today I am talking about R. Words containing let alphabets A and R makes the sound R, like in f, R for, f, R for. But here W, R don't make war, it's make war. R has two sound. One is R, like in far and car, and it has other sound or. Whenever any word start with alphabet W, then the sound of AR will not R, but it will be or, like war. We read it as war, and this word is word. V or the word. Whenever a word start with W, the sound of AR will be or, and in other cases the sound of AR will remain same, R, like in far, car. Thank you.